Step into the future of professional photo and fine art printing with the Epson SureColor P7330 and P9330. Engineered for precision, consistency, and efficiency, these printers effortlessly handle a wide range of media, from delicate fine art paper and canvas to sturdy poster board up to 1.5mm thick. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to load various types of media into the printer. First, let us take you through the steps to load roll paper. To start, open the roll paper cover. Press Set to load roll paper. Press See Description to follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Lower the lock lever for the adapter holder. Grip the handle on the adapter holder and move it to the left. Place the roll paper on top of the printer. Adjust the core size of the adapter to fit your media roll. Raise the adapter lock levers on each of the roll paper adapters. Attach the roll adapters to each end of the roll paper core without any gaps, and then lower the adapter lock levers. Push the roll paper to the right until it touches the roll paper loading guide. Align the alignment mark on the adapter holder with the left roll adapter. Roll over the roll paper slowly into the roll paper holder. Grip the handle on the adapter holder and slide to the right until it is fully inserted to the holder shaft. Raise the lock lever for the adapter holder. Insert the leading edge of the roll paper into the paper feed slot and feed the roll paper until you hear a beep. Once you have completed these steps, press Close, then Complete. Lastly, close the roll paper cover and the cut sheet cover. When loading is complete, the paper setting screen appears. From the control panel, choose the appropriate media paper type accordingly. Make sure that remaining amount management is set to On to track roll paper length, issue alerts, and automatically read settings via barcodes upon reloading. Then press OK. Loading roll paper is completed. You can easily remove the roll paper by following these steps. First, press the Paper Loading Info icon from the home screen, then select Remove. The paper will be rewound and ejected. When Manage Remaining Amount is set to On, a barcode is automatically printed prior to rewinding. Press See Description to follow the on-screen instructions. First, open the roll paper cover. Then, lower the lock lever for the adapter holder. Grip the handle on the adapter holder and move it to the left. Roll over the roll paper to the front side to place it on the top of the printer. Raise the adapter lock lever to unlock, and then remove the roll adapter. Raise the lock lever for the adapter holder. Lastly, close the roll paper cover. Unloading roll paper is completed. Now let us guide you through the steps to load cut sheet and poster board up to 1.5 mm thick. To start, press the paper loading info icon. Depending on your media type, choose between cut sheet or poster board from the paper settings. In this demonstration, we are using a poster board. Follow the on-screen instructions and loading procedure that is displayed on the control panel. First, open the cut sheet cover and place the media into the feeder. Do note that the printing side must be facing you. Then, align the paper to the guide as shown. Check if the paper is skewed. If the loaded paper is not skewed, touch OK. To reload paper, touch Cancel. Finally, select the paper type. In this case, we are using Enhanced Matte Board. Press paper size to select the available options. Press OK to proceed to load paper. Loading cut sheet, poster board is completed. If you need to remove a loaded cut sheet media that hasn't been printed, you can do so using the control panel. Press the menu icon and select Paper Setting. Then choose Remove. Make sure that the ejecting paper message is displayed on the control panel screen. Then support the cut sheet media so that it does not fall. Press the OK button when ejecting is completed. Lastly, close the cut sheet cover. Unloading cut sheet, poster board is completed. Effortless media loading means you're always ready to print. No complicated steps, just smooth performance that fits perfectly into your daily workflow.